how to add and download Office editing for docs and sheets on your Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Google and search for Chrome Store, as you can see here, and click on the first option, Chrome Web Store, and now search for Office editing like this. Okay, for docs, and here's it. Click on it and you will be able to download it, as you can see from here. It's very easy, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.